Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by acting fast. Press and hold power plus volume down for 1 to 2 seconds to interrupt system shortcuts, because Samsung maps that gesture to emergency features. If the emergency call is already dialing, tap the red end call or cancel button right away, since timing prevents connecting. Once done, unlock the device if required. Some models block touch during the emergency animation, so unlocking restores normal controls and lets you confirm that the call was stopped. Once you stop the immediate dial, open the phone or Recents app to confirm the call never connected or was ended. This verifies no emergency services were contacted. Next, go to Settings Advanced Features Side Key or SOS settings and disable the Emergency SOS shortcut to prevent accidental triggers, because prevention is easier than recovery. Finally, inspect emergency contacts and any auto-send message settings so your phone won't automatically notify contacts the next time the shortcut fires. To finish, restart the phone to clear any stuck emergency state or UI glitch, since a reboot often resets interrupted services and confirms settings took effect. Then, test the trigger in a controlled way. Press the same buttons briefly to ensure emergency SOS no longer activates. If accidental calls still occur, reset the side key or SOS settings to defaults and contact Samsung support for help. Doing so resolves deeper firmware or hardware shortcut issues that simple toggles cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.